I think they're way too close. I know, I've been a little out of here for a few days. At first it's like easy to sometimes to get the videos going faster, you know, and other times I have no time to do things, but we're here and it's my day off and I will try to get something going. I have my little pictures basket here, if you want to say, or bowl, and I have things ready for my new recipe. So as you watched the video, I was doing some delicious turkey meatballs, and I have to do some, I will use this one. It's a little more complicated recipe, the preparation and everything, and I will use this one for my recipe. So okay, so this is my page. We will take the page from here and we will use the old-fashioned one. I will not go for the modern or brand new one. Since this is more like a rustic recipe, I wanted to go, I was looking for my papers and found this piece of paper that looks like wood. I think this will pop the color of the picture, so I will use that. I don't have a lot of stickers about cooking. I have my old stickers that I did. I was planning to do like paper stickers with only food preparation stuff and for recipes, and maybe I will be doing that. And these two are the only ones that I have that had some food stuff that I can use, like also the grocery shopping list and stuff instead of the other. So we will see. I took this in case that I can use part of these titles of stuff, but I'm not sure. We will see. And the first that I will do is cut this paper to match the size of the picture. There, where is my pencil? This was with the pencil here. You know when you are using something and then suddenly disappears? It's here. No panic. So I want to leave this distance, and from there I think will be that. If it's too big, I will cut again smaller, but I think that will be a good size. Where is my mark? So I think this will be a good size, or maybe it's too big. No, we're good. It's not a big recipe, so it's not like I need a lot of space. I like also when it looks like that, you know, like a contrast of the size there. It can be like the tablecloth there, you know, or just like that. But I will go for a little twist there. I like that. Okay, let's glue that. So we got this one there, and the picture. I print my pictures on my Epson printer. Very good quality, and actually very good saving on money with ink. I used to have the one with cartridge, the HP, and I finished like spending so much money on printing. I want to put some kind of tape, washi tape. I saw these two that I have that can be nice, or it can be the little birds. I think I will go for this, just to give a little extra touch of color to this. And I will do just in the top. Where is my cut? Be there, and maybe there a little. It is straight. Okay, it's kind of straight. And then we will cut this top here. Okay, so we have all these. I think I will put a little of that also here of the tape. My battery was dying. I have to go and put an extra time charging. And my neighbor decided to begin the mowing. Lucky me. Just when I'm beginning to do this part. Okay, and let's cut there. Or maybe it's my garden. I don't know. And I'm blaming the neighbor. Anyway, so if you see the little corners there, don't look so dark. So what I will do, this marker, just keep a little touch like shadow. You know, like the shadow to that. The same here. There. And the name of this one is, let's put here. Okay, there. So let me put all the, oh, you know what, actually, because it has turkey and all that kind of things, let me see. I can put a little turkey leg here. Oh, this is too big maybe. Do I have a smaller one? I have a smaller one. I don't have meatballs, but I have the turkey leg there. And let's put this one back. Do I have another one? Well, the other ones are also big, so we'll put here one for what it goes. That this will be, let me get my recipe here before I do a big mess, because another way I have my notes. Let me get my other marker. This one can bleed through. Okay, put this one ground turkey, 1 pound of ground turkey. I need ½ cup. Here. It's from the Essential Planning. I like this. It's really nice. It has so many stickers that I like. Okay, so I will put the turkey there for when I keep putting more of the information what I have that I would need. It needs eggs, 1 egg. Why not? And what else I need? Onion powder, teaspoon garlic powder, and then all the description here. Let me fill the information here. Okay, we got all the information. I still having a little of a space there. I can put a decoration if I want. Do I have anything related to the turkey thing? Let's see. We'll put this, loving this. There. Loving this because I really love the flavor and everything on this. Very simple recipe. I really love this. Maybe I can put also a little of the tape there just to cover the, it's not like we need to have no white space, but just of this tan color. It's kind of gold tannish color, and it goes perfect there. I don't know where I put my tape cutter. And it's done. It's very simple recipe. Like I said, you can just keep decorating if you want, like keep adding stuff, but I think that just with this is amazing, you know. Yeah. Oh no, mess up with that. Oops, got kind of sticky. Okay, never mind. We will add this little piece of tape. Like sticking on the side of the table or something like that. There. There is. And the recipe is simple, easy. The decoration was simple also, and no something very complicated. I hope you like, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day.